Greetings to you all, dear parents and my dearest students of class 1. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to do a craft activity, a very simple one. It's called origami. Origami is the art of paper folding. That means any art which is done using paper and folding it into different shapes. Let's see what we need for today's activity. We need sketch pens, glue or Fevicol, square origami papers, 2 of them, same color, lighter color is better, a pair of scissors, cutter, pencils, sharpener, eraser, and A4 sized paper cut into 4 pieces. Only one of them we need 2 colors, that is quarter sheet of A4 paper. 2 colors we need, scribbled like this with sketch pens. Quarter sheet of A4 paper, 2 colors scribbled on one side. Now the last thing we need is we need a ruler also in the materials and the book which we did our last activity. Now let's begin our today's class. You'll be doing your activity after this page, that is last week's activity, fun with dots. We'll be sticking whatever we do today on this page. So first, on top of the page, we'll write the heading. Today's date 9/4/2020. Origami puppy plus butterfly. Let's see how to do the puppy. You must have done dog's face in PP2 also. Let me show you how to do this one. So now we'll take a square origami paper. In case you don't have a square origami paper of the same color, what I have done is I've cut these 2 pieces from an A4 sheet. I'll show you how to cut that. This is an A4 sheet. Fold it into half like this. Now I am using a cutter. Parents, please help the student in this step. After doing this, cutting into 2 pieces, we'll fold it into this triangle shape from here to here. And then cut this extra part away. Now these are the 2 square papers. This is approximately 15 centimeters. Now let's do the puppy. So first, for the head part, we already have this crease. If we are done it by cutting, we already have this crease, or else join the opposite corners like this. Hold it like this and give a crease over here with your index finger. Now roughly opposite to this, let's make a mark like this, just a mark like this. Don't fold it totally, just a mark like this, so that we know the center of this. Now we'll fold the ears of the dog, so it's coming out like this. So roughly approximately same distance we'll need to fold this ear also. Just check if it's okay. Sometimes if you do it like this, it will not look so good. So it should come out a bit like this. Now let's give a proper crease. Now for the mouth, we'll just fold this part like this. We need to draw the eyes, nose and mouth and all. Let's see how to do that in the next step. For the body of the dog or the puppy, I am just showing you same fold, and then it will be like this. Keep it like this, and then this will become the tail, this part. So let's fold it like this. Okay. Now this body is going to go inside this face. There are two sheets up and down, so this body will go inside this. So we need to secure it with glue or Fevicol. So just add a little bit of Fevicol like this. Keep this over here and then put some more Fevicol on top of this and stick. You may adjust the face however you want. It can be straight like this, or it can be like this, or it can be little tilted. So however you want, you can fold it and place the face. So I am adding a little bit of glue over here and securing this like this. Now a bit of glue over here and here to make the ears sit in place. Now the dog is done. Let's see how to give expressions to this. So if you have a pair of googly eyes, you can keep those over here, or else you can just draw eyes like this and nose. I've still not drawn the pupils. I'm keeping it pending. I'm going to show you this after attaching the butterflies. A W like this, big one, and mouth like this, and you can keep some dots over here and add some whiskers, eyebrows. You may even color this ears black if you like, or keep some dots even on the body. This is all optional. I need to secure this tail part also. Now our puppy is almost ready. We have still not finished the eyes. Let's come to it in the end. Now I'm going to stick a little bit of glue on this and stick it onto the book. So this will be in the center like this. Our puppy is ready. Now let's go and see. We have two papers like this, which I told I need a quarter of A4 sheet. I have scribbled already with sketch pens. I'll just show you one sample how to scribble. I'm using sketch pens because that is little easier. So you need to scribble like this. Dear children, this will be a good activity for you, and it's very simple. You can add dots or circles. For lighter colored papers, you can use dark sketch pens. You can scribble however you want, like this. Now, with the scribbled paper, what we are going to do is, we are going to cut it into a butterfly. For that, I have made templates. like this. So this is the scribbled part. We need to fold the papers like this, both the papers. I've taken white and yellow like this. The templates are like this. How to draw the templates? I'm just going to show you. With the paper, we just fold it like this. First draw about 2 centimeters down. You can start with the face and the body. Wings, any shape you like this, and like this, and the antlers like this. This is one which I've drawn here. The other one is very simple. You just have to add like this shape. Now I've already have drawn these two. Let me show. We need to cut it. This step parents have to help the students. This is the one. So now this is a scribbled thing. I'm going to show cutting of this and how the butterfly will look. This is the butterfly. And I'm just going to scribble on this to make it easy. Now we have two butterflies like this. We'll use a black sketch pen or a brown sketch pen and show the body like this. Eyes, and over the body you can make lines like this. And you may even color the antlers like this. And a smile. Similarly, do this one also. These are two butterflies. Now I'm going to stick these over here. So when you're sticking the butterflies on the back side, just put glue only on the center of the butterfly, not on the wings. So you can just stick it like this and it will be like this. This butterfly I'm going to stick half of this like this. And we'll make some grass and make it sit on the grass. Like this. Now coming to the expression of the dog, do some grass over here also. Now the butterfly is going around the dog, so it is actually looking at the butterfly. So wherever you are sticking the butterfly, if it's this side, the eyeballs will be this side, like this. This is it. Hope you'll all enjoy doing this. Thank you, dear parents and students. Enjoy this work.